Emily. Welcome everyone. Tonight we head to the mountain town of Dahlonega, Georgia for the third year in a row to see the square in all its Yuletide glory. It's Christmas time in North Georgia. Our first stop of the holiday season takes us to the North Georgia mountains to the town of Dahlonega. Some nice decorations to see during the day. Santa is here as well, and not much of a line right now, so a great time to get a sick pic with Santa. The brick sidewalks must have been here a while. They are designated as a historic structure.
Children, don't you cry, sail away, ladies, sail away. You'll get to heaven by and by, sail away, ladies, sail away.
Let's check out the glass blowing shop.
You guys look up too, it's hanging from our ceiling also. Yesterday she was like a lazy boy.
It's always a treat to go into the Dahlonega general store. They have so much in here. This used to be the old Lumpkin County Courthouse.
Okay. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. I did that with my laptop and I'm running out of space. So I say the smaller.
I can read that. I just like this bad about.
The 5-cent coffee is actually pretty good. They sell some unusual flavors of soda here too. Now let's check out the Fudge Factory. Get myself a sweet treat.
Like I'll show you a common thing I'll also do, maybe get quarter-pound sauce like that, quarter-pound.
Maybe a little bit less of,
Like an eighth or
yeah,
half of that.
yeah, of the,
Just so y'all know, when you go to break into them later, the kind of O shape.
So we're gonna try some fudge from the Fudge Factory here in Dahlonega. So, let's see if I can open the box. I'm not very good at this. I have one though. There we go. So, those things aren't fudge. So first let's try, I believe, this is the pumpkin one that you wanted, right, Dada? I think so. Let's see. I don't know if I smell it. Yeah, this is the pumpkin one. Ooh, it smells really good. For some reason, it smells like one of those pumpkin Starbucks drinks. That's really good. That's like the best pumpkin stuff I've ever tasted in my life. Except for your cookies. My mom makes really good pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. So next we have peppermint crunch, I believe is what it was called, and it's got pumpkin on my thumb. Hold on a second. This is the one that I wanted, and it's. Ooh, it smells like you're just like smelling a candy cane. It smells so good. So let's see. I'm trying to find the best way to. Whoa, this is hard. As you can see, my fingers are all red now. Which is really good. It's got like, I think they might have like crushed up candy canes because you can see like the crunchy stuff on it. That's really good. I think it also got a little bit of the pumpkin on the side, but it's fine. So next we have tiger butter, and I believe that is, almost said peppermint, chocolate and peanut butter together. Peppermint and chocolate, that's good. Peanut, I've never had, got red all over me. I don't even, like the fudge didn't even touch this part of my thumb, and I've got red there. Ooh, oh, it's melting. Melted fudge. Let's see. I think we can break off this piece here and I'll get. So, ooh. Oh, this isn't peanut butter fudge, it's like actual peanut butter. I was expecting peanut butter fudge. There's peanut butter all over my face. Really good. I think I've got like white chocolate here, and then probably milk chocolate, and then it's got actual peanut butter on it. So next we got a chocolate covered Oreo, and I'm pretty sure this is a mega stuff just because of how thick it is. Let's see, I'll put the stuff back in there. Oh, very hard. Okay, looks can be deceiving. It's an Oreo thin. Yeah, this would be really good. I know it's like, it's of course an Oreo encased in milk chocolate, but it's melting on my finger. Hold on a second. The dark chocolate Oreos are so good. They should just like encase that in like milk chocolate. No, not milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Dark chocolate covered Oreo. So now we got what was called the peanut butter surprise, and it's kind of melted, but let's see, let's take a bite of this side. The surprise is it's 2 Ritz crackers with peanut butter in the middle encased in chocolate. That's the surprise. I mean, I looked at the bottom and I was like, oh, this is just Ritz crackers. It's good though. I think it's probably because I like it a lot because I like chocolate and peanut butter, but it's pretty good. Up next is the Outlaw Jerky store. Lots of different types of jerky sold here. Oh, come on. I don't want my toes in this toe. I don't want Pellegrino's toe. Salvation's on. They even sold ghost pepper jerky here. I'm not ready to be eating Winchester. Nearby is this store where they sell many different types of salts, spices, and teas.
The middle size. Oh, 16. Sorry, I thought I saw
They also have cheese powder. Cheddar cheese, blue cheese, feta, and more. Beer powder too. Dahlonega really brings its Christmas game after sunset. Check out all the decorations and horse-drawn carriages. The sun has now set and the crowds are starting to arrive. Georgia 400 and take that north until it ends, then make a left on Georgia 60 and that takes you to Dahlonega. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel to get all the latest updates. Take it a step further and ring that notification bell. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. More Christmas videos to come. Thanks for watching. Bye!